Bore da. The coronavirus pandemic has reached a significant point in Wales. The First Minister will take a press conference this afternoon, but before then, I wanted to update you on what this means for education. As a government, we have decided to bring decision-making on schools and colleges into line with our 3-week review timetable. That means that we will next review the situation on January the 29th, and remote learning will continue until at least then. Unless we see a significant reduction in transmission before January 29th, then remote learning would have to continue until our next review date, which coincides with the February half-term. Vulnerable children and children of critical workers will have access to their usual school or college. And during this period, we will work together to look at all the possibilities for a phased and safe return of some pupils, such as those studying for qualifications or the youngest children who find distance learning the most difficult. We're taking this action today because this new variant is more infectious and is leading to increased numbers of people being hospitalised. Schools and colleges have been safe and secure environments throughout the pandemic, and that continues to be the case. However, the latest TAC report is clear on education's contribution. We know that school and college settings can contribute to wider social mixing outside the education environment, and right now, well, we all have to play our part in suppressing this virus. I know these times are hard, but please remember that this pandemic will end. Our wonderful schools and colleges will soon be full with the sounds of happy children and learners, as they always were before this cruel virus took hold. I cannot wait for that moment, and I'm sure that you feel the same. But until then, it's more important than ever that we continue to follow the rules and to stay at home. And thank you for all that you're doing, and together we'll keep Wales safe.